I have actually finally done my first activity. As you can see, my weight tonight has actually gotten to. This is my maximum is actually 565 because I actually upgraded my turbo. Okay, my hose is level 3, my turbo is level 1, and my intercooler is level 2, and my extractor is level 2. I don't know what did I just throw that one. And my engine power is max, and wait, and I'm using an X1. Yeah, I'm home. Okay, so I have 20K. Nothing but it. So these controls are pretty good. These controls are 4K. Oh, sorry, I didn't repair my car. I've been grinding, and now my home page is here. I'm just gonna grind some cool. Like now I'm getting 100+ every time I chase. Like if you to prove it, my race level down there is 60. If I go here, perfect. I'm here. You just put to the distance. I have actually mounted to my channel to the 80 range. What the fuck? Why did they just say the fucking glitch? Yeah, I have more wait, how am I supposed to do that? I guess 1 second. Don't tell me that's gotta be fake. What? So I always win. Yeah. Gotta be a pro. Okay, I'm gonna actually review it. Okay, this is my body. I have all 41 layers here. Yeah, I know this is looks too crazy. I don't know where's this. Oh, okay. Oh no, not all layers. That was frustrating. If I go to expert, this is all my 41 layers. Yes, you can't copy that. It's impossible. And I'm gonna go skip this. Let's show you my underwear. Super. This is my underwear. Walking the okay sound. My record. Okay, what the hell did I just say like this? As you can see, I have 565 horsepower. I'm actually less than me to be. Oh my god, forgot the back. Can you play that? Okay. All the maps I have. Let's be happy. I accidentally done it. I have 20K to lose this. Well, I forgot to change my card. Has to be my. Yo, I just realized the only difference between IYD and. I just realized. Yeah. These maps right here have a secret. What happened? So if I go here, look right here, you'll see a tiny gap here. Yeah, it's a really popular gap where you can actually slide in like that. Pretty cool. Get it? Take the iron RYD car. It's gone. It was here, now it's gone. I'm not tripping. Okay, so let me hit. Wait, nah. I'm rich. I'm sure the population is here, to be honest. That was a good trip, but I actually touched it. But what's my mom doing right there in the toilet? Don't please. I don't want to see someone rape my mom. No, I'm gonna grind more money just to make me less stuff like that. Because I'm really my house is like the first on my handle. There's my control panel real quick. My control panel moving helps. My control panel is like, nope. What the hell? Wait a minute, what the hell? Did I literally just say me? Did I just say fucking meme? I can't. My handbrake ain't working. My handbrake ain't working. Okay, that's great. That was a good call. That was really cool stuff. I'm making sure I can see from touching it. You guys have the how to do it, right? You actually need to tap really slow to avoid too much speed sideways, causing you to hit a smooth zip like. Well, let me make a track like this. You can literally do it like that. I don't think you even understand what I just fucking say. Mimicking. Okay, why did I just say like a Giga Chad? I'm actually a Giga Chad already. I didn't know what did I say. Did I just say what did I say? 5 times already? I'm actually enjoying my skill. Has new skills. I have new skills and a new skill. What the hell? Finally, I moved it so high so I won't accidentally end the video right now. What? Oh my god. Now I can't click back. Now I gotta move this like that, okay. Oh my, that's just my bad or minion language. I'm not gonna say it's very different story. Like it's not impossible to get it. Try to get my comments. That was a great turn. Ew. What fun punch. That was super cool. Oh, my control panel is all the way up there. So what's this button over here? Oh wait, that's just my pencil so I can draw. Stop doing this. Don't spend your time trying to catch up. You gotta turn the rod the direction the nearest curve is gonna be, and you can easily catch up like that. That's faster than an actual catcher, but since it's in AI, they won't do that. Look at the road, just in case it's got a hidden visit. Yeah. Oh, sorry for. My back is broken. No, it doesn't mean I'm a freaking grandma. My car is back. I actually have one of the best skins in Australia. Okay. Yeah, the reason why my car is so low is because don't have side mirrors. They can give creepy looks. If you don't believe me, this is the weird looks you can get on your car. And this is even worse. It looks like a fucking monkey. This looks like a fucking orangutan now. So I actually removed my headlights to give me this nice looking here. And to be honest, this arch unusual shape is super good. It gives me a lot of greatness and makes my car look better. Oh my god, this looks so good. And bro, don't lie to me. The placement of these letters are perfect. This is why I have one of the best skins. No, I did not download the mod just to get this. I even get this if I want. Then I could have gotten this. But I just look so bad. I picked something that looks good. I choose realism. And I also made a cute little face. I made a cute little face on my head. Like, yeah, it cost me 1,000. Yeah, it cost me $1,000. So much really what it looks. Oh shit. I realized I accidentally sold the beginner one. Well, fucking bye.